Now traders, as you can see, this is a trade from yesterday. We took it and I swinged it. Like I said, I love taking the reversal that gives the first red day. It's the first red day on the card JPY. Our rules is met. The market has pulled back to the moving average and has failed. Whenever the market stays away from the moving average for too long, it will pull back to that moving average and then continue in the direction of the trend. So we have a downtrending market right now, as you can see. Also, my Euro USD trade is an out of balance trade setup. I'm also on the USD JPY. Yes, USD JPY, as you can see. I'm gonna zoom that in. So yeah, USD JPY. Major red news acted as a catalyst, so still good. This is why I love the MT5. I can just move my stops to break even. Getting very serious. It's better to be taken out with little profit than to be taken out with nothing. So let's take it back there. Okay. Now this is just because my rules are met. My rules for entry is met. This is what Brooks calls the 2HM. The market stays away from the 1 hour for too long. We'll have a very strong trend, so the market keeps trending to the opposite direction. So many markets exploding. 3-day setup, 3-day setup, 3-day setup here. I didn't take this, but it's a 3-day setup. According to our rules, we are targeting the, okay, we've hit the 4 hour. Now we are going back. It depends on how price be. They will pull back, breakout, pull back of that level, and continue in the direction of that trend. 3-day setup, NZD card, 3-day setup, NZD USD. Why is it a 3-day setup? Let us count. Why is this a 3-day setup? Day 1, day 2, day 3. Day 1, day 2, inside the day 0 combination, 1, 2, 3. Failure at the opening range low. Day 1, day 2, day 3. So many markets are out of balance. So many markets are out of balance. My Euro USD trade is still going. Day 1, day 2, day 3. 3-day setup will typically blow off in the direction of the trend. This is a setup. 3-day setup blowing off in the direction of the trend. Day 1, day 2, day 3. Let's take a look at our screener. Screener is loaded up, but it needs me to refresh it. Reload. Good. Now what do we have here? This is NZD USD day 0. Day 0. Yesterday's day 0, peak formation, high, peak formation low, but a 3-day setup. NZD card 3-day setup that closed in breakout. The NZD USD 3-day setup that closed in breakout. We had our reversal. You can see that 2-day setup. Now what do we have again? 3-day setup, NZD card, Euro USD 3-day setup, Euro AUD 3-day setup. I don't trade Euro AUD. You can see it by yourself. NZD card 3-day setup, 1 2 3 reversal, wedge bottom pattern with 3 points. Like I said in the other video, draw your wedges. Okay, you can see GBP USD, it showed FGD, it showed a 3-day setup. Let's take a good look at that. Now why is it a 3-day setup? Day 1 low of week, day 2, day 3 FGD in the midst of it. 1 low of week. Those of you who don't know what a 3-day setup looks like, day 1, day 2, day 2 is an FGD, day 3. Can you see that? Day 1, day 2 closed above the previous close. It's a low of week here. Next day closed above the previous close. Screener reads FGD. So this is a 3-day setup that is blown off in the direction of that initial movement. Euro NZD 3-day setup. The same setup I took on the Euro USD. Day 1, day 2, day 3, blowing off in the direction of the trend. Day 1, day 2 goes out of balance. Day 3, the 3-day setup will blow off in the direction of the trend or reverse. Even if it blows off in the direction of the trend, it may close in breakout and collapse on Friday. Take note of that. AUD card is a 3-day setup. Let's take a look at AUD card. I don't trade it, but I have to add it up. AUD card. What's special about AUD card? Okay, good. 3-day setup, high to low. 1 2 3. Thank you, screener, for picking this up. Day 1, day 2, and then day 3 breaks out of the low. 3-day setup, 1 2 3 reversal back to the opposite side. Thank you, screener. AUD card, NZD card, the same thing. NZD USD, GBP USD, blowing off in the direction of a trend. 3-day setup Euro USD. This is why I bought, as you can see from my okay, this is Euro USD. Right, that's it there. Let's just test this, not with size, just with a little bit of, let's start right here. Let's just test it. I'm already in with too much size on other pairs, so let's test it. Right guys, this is just how the market works. Do your analysis, mark up the chart. The screener does not lie. The screener does not lie. We have first red days. Let's look at the first red days. This is AUDJPY. Where's AUDJPY? Okay, let me add you. AUDJPY is not added. Let's screen AUDJPY. Manually I can see it, but let's look at that. AUDJPY. Screen it for me. AUDJPY is the first red day and it is 0. USJPY is the first red day. Swiss franc is the first red day. Can you see that? Day 1, day 2, day 3 is a first red day and a 3-day setup, blowing off in the direction of the trend. USD Swiss franc is showing 3-day setup and a first red day. Why? This is why. Day 1, day 2 FRD, day 3 blows off in the direction of the trend. A 3-day setup will blow off in the direction of the trend or reverse. That is what has happened here. Day 1, day 2, day 3 blowing off in the direction of the trend. Those of you who are doubting the screener is technical for you to learn and see what the market is doing. Okay, can you see that? Good. Now let's take a look at another first red. AUD USD is a first red day. What's it showing? First red day. AUD USD is a first red day, but did not give us that. Remember, the market is no longer making lower lows. We fade and go against. It's in the playbook. The rule of this pattern is in the playbook. Failed first red day is in the playbook. How does price behave at the low? Day 1, day 2, day 3. How does price behave at the low? Are they making lower lows? What's EuroCard saying? EuroCard is showing a day 0 and it's out of balance. Out of balance. Day 1 longs, day 2 longs, day 3 longs. EuroCard is supposed to show 3-day longs, but no, it's not showing, but it's fine. We're out of balance. Peak formation low, peak formation high, day 0 formation, exploding the direction of the trend. Day 1 longs, day 2 longs, day 3 longs. So guys, be careful. Watch the setup. What is the market doing? EuroCard, USD EuroCard is showed the first red day yesterday, 3 days of longs previously, 1, 2, 3. Congrats Paragon. Evolved to a first red day. Okay, we had our first red day sell high setup that dealt with us yesterday, but took time to get to TP, but got to TP eventually. Now trigger 3-day setup, breakout, pullback, continuation in the direction of the trend. 1, 2, 3. A 3-day setup will blow off in the direction of the trend or will reverse. How does price behave? Right guys, see you guys on the next one. trade the best and scalp the rest. Let me tell the boys, maybe they can short this market now. But the markets go with you. Just showing the power of the screener and how you can use your brain, your memory, your mind to work with what presents itself. Thank you. See you on the next one.